Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to get Spotify on your Mac using an easy method. First, open your preferred web browser, like Safari or Chrome. Navigate to the official Spotify website. Look for the prominent Download button, usually found on the home page or in a dedicated Download section. Click this button to start downloading the Spotify installer package directly to your computer. This process typically takes only a few moments. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder. You'll find the Spotify installer file, which usually has a DMG extension. Double-click this file to open it. A new window will appear, showing the Spotify application icon. Simply drag this icon into your Applications folder, which is typically visible in the same window. This action copies the application to your Mac. Now that Spotify is installed, navigate to your Applications folder. Find the Spotify icon and double-click it to launch the application. The Spotify login screen will appear. If you already have an account, enter your username or email and password to log in. If you're new to Spotify, you can easily create a free account right there within the application in just a few simple steps. Congratulations! You're now ready to enjoy Spotify on your Mac. You have access to millions of songs, thousands of podcasts, and a growing library of audiobooks. Start by exploring curated playlists, discovering new artists, or creating your own custom music collections. Spotify offers high-quality audio streaming, providing an excellent listening experience right from your desktop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.